morning, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day, showing you everything that I eat in a day. Wow, revolutionary. If you've missed any of my previous What I Eat in a Days, because I know when I find somebody who I like that does them, hopefully you like me, I like to watch all of them. So I'll link them down below. It's been a journey. Right now, I'm just eating what I want to eat. So today I really want to have a big, full breakfast. I don't have all the ingredients for my morning bagel, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna do a bagel, I'm gonna do an egg, I'm gonna do some bacon, and have a big breakfast because I just filmed a foundation routine. So if you're curious about this makeup, I'll link the tutorial down below. But let's get into some breakfast. Oh, and I have been drinking an espresso. The makeup setup is a mess, but yeah, I've got an espresso here, half calf, because I'm doing kind of cutting back on caffeine right now, or I have been. I'm trying not to be addicted to it. So, and I've got a little bit of this Skinny Syrups salted caramel and almond milk in there. And I've been using this marine collagen hair, skin, and nails, which I really love, mostly for my hair because I lost quite a bit of hair due to stress, I believe. So I think it's helping. It's helping my nails too. And yeah, so they say 30 days. I believe, and I've used it in the past and really, really love it. So it says it reduces deep wrinkles. And I remember I did a campaign with them a while back. It was like scientifically proven. A lot of people have a lot of thoughts about collagen, but the marine collagen seems to be the key, and it doesn't taste like fish, I promise. I don't have fish lattes in the morning. So anyways, let's get into the bagel. Okay, so here is breakfast. I've got my green onions and cucumber on my bagel, and then I put cracked pepper, some of this chunky sea salt, and some of this garlic salt from a brand called Cannelle. They're based out of Montreal, but my friend sent me this really cute spice kit, so I put some garlic salt on there. I've got the Lou's back bacon, which I've shown a million times. I cooked that in the air fryer, and a boiled egg, and a glass of OJ. And I'll grab a vitamin D as well. I'm excited. Thought we would do a cat check-in. What did you guys eat today? You guys had some wet food for breakfast as a treat. So tired. Anyways, it's kind of lunchtime now. I had a late breakfast, but I wanted to show you because I'm prepping for lunch. And this is something I've showed before, but it's a good way if you buy like store-bought soup, to sort of make it go a little bit further and to like add some protein. So I bought from Farm Boy, I haven't tried this before, and the color is not appetizing, but it's their mushroom and kale soup. So what I did was I just cooked down some chicken thighs in a little bit of water and shredded it, and then I'm gonna add this soup, ironically vegan, and some more mushrooms because I love chunks of mushrooms. And when I buy mushrooms, I freeze them automatically because I'm always eating them cooked anyways, and they cook a little bit faster. So I'm just gonna cook this, and then I'll keep it in the pot and eat it for lunches all week. Okay, it is time for lunch, and I just heated up my soup, so let me show you. I put some arugula on top so it didn't look so upsetting in color. Got some Melba toast. I'm gonna butter each Melba toast as I dip them. And I got questions about these last time. I don't know if they're not in the States, but it's like a cracker. It's hard. And then I'm gonna have one of these San Pellegrino natural limonata. Really reminds me of, like, you know, the Italian soda that I got when I was in Rome a couple of years ago. It's sweet, but it also has like a hint of bitterness to it. So anyways, that's lunch, and my heart bowl is from Dollarama. Okay, I just woke up from a nap. It was a good nap. I'm gonna have a snack. I'm getting ready to go out for a walk with Jess, so it's kind of like, it's about 4 p.m. now. So I figured I'll have just a little something. So I'll have dinner. I have dinner kind of late-ish. I guess it depends who you ask, but I have dinner probably like 8-ish. So I'm gonna have a little snickety snack. Okay, so I've got my Dollarama heart plate of banana. Then I put some just peanuts, peanut butter, some honey, some cannelle, cinnamon, and some chunky sea salt. That's the key, the salt. I'm telling you, sweet and salty, baby. Okay, I'm gonna have some of this and some water, and then I'm gonna head out. Okay, I am just in and I'm hungry for dinner, so I'm gonna show you what I'm having. I've been doing a lot of like burgers and wings lately. I'm not gonna lie to you. But tonight, I'm gonna try and do something else. I've never made this recipe before, but I like all the ingredients, so. Rue wants dinner. I gave her wet food this morning, so she's a nightmare all day. But I'm gonna have cod, and then I'm gonna have this. I love this bistro rice. It's so easy, especially if you live on your own. Like, I'll just split it into 2 and have it for 2 servings. Love the jasmine rice. I'm gonna cook some broccoli in my air fryer, and I'm also gonna have some edamame. It's one of my favorite things. I just microwave them in some water, put some chunky sea salt on them. I'm gonna top it all with green onion. I'm gonna grab sesame seeds, and then for the sauce on the cod, I'm gonna fry it in a pan, I guess, and then I'll do rice vinegar, soy, sesame oil. I've got chili oil, I've got hoisin, I've got honey. I don't have any garlic, unfortunately, but I don't know. I'm gonna just mix it all together, see what happens. Okay, this is the most vegetables I've eaten in a long time. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of showing off because you're here. But this has kind of encouraged me to start making maybe some better dinners. I think the cod looks so good. I can never cook it and have it stay together. It's really like flaky and fresh. And I've got my rice. I just really put together a bunch of like ingredients and then cooked the cod the majority of the way and then sort of glazed it at the end because there's sugar in there so that can burn. Edamame with lots of salt, and you like eat it out of the pod. And then some broccoli, so I'm excited about this. Okay, I'm just watching the Real Housewives season finale of Orange County. I'm on season 14 right now. So that means popcorn time. I've been buying this type of popcorn because I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. If you live in an apartment, it's great because it's small, it's collapsible, but basically hard to do with one hand. A microwave bowl, so I'm just gonna add some popcorn. A lot of the time I'll measure it, but I kind of have a good idea of what a full bowl looks like. And then I just pop this on and microwave it, and I put on real butter and salt. It's so good. Big old bowl of popcorn. Fresca on deck. Housewives on the TV. Okay, so I'm having such a snacky night. I end up having a bagel. Not gonna lie to you. Now I had a sundae because why not? Got frozen yogurt in a waffle bowl with crumbly, like a half up crumbled up chocolate cookie, walnuts, maraschino cherries, sprinkles. I'm doing the most today. But yeah, sometimes it's just one of those nights where you just want to shovel food into your face. Tonight's one of those nights. But anyways, I'm gonna leave you here. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time.